At least we try, and I'll be there for you. Now my heart is so cold, doesn't know where to belong. But I tell you, I'll be there for you. I'll be there, you know that I'll be there. I'll be there for you.
Yo! Oops. So, for today's video, mag-unboxing tayo dito. Ito ang bagong DJI Pocket 3. Tagal-tagal na akong hindi naka-unboxing, so mag-start na ulit tayo. So, we start the unboxing, guys.
You got me feeling like I'm going under. Boy, your words are drowning like we're underwater. You're too late, too late, too late. You know I want you, but it's too late, too late, too late for you to get some. 'Cause I'm over you. Yeah, I'm over you. You got a piece of me that you can. You know that you can keep it over. Boy, yeah, it's over, boy. Yeah, you got a piece of me that you can. You know that you can keep it over, boy. Yeah, it's over, boy. Tell your man you won't be home, crying on the floor alone. Tell all the boys you gone solo and get a chicken fillet roll. Tell your man you're on the side and that the lights are to the end. A 3-day bender I'd expect, and by the end you'll clear the head. And by the end you'll clear the head. You got a piece of me that you can. You know that you can keep it over, boy. Yeah, it's over, boy. Yeah, you got a piece of me that you can. You know that you can keep it over, boy. Yeah, it's over.
This is the power. Hello. DJI Pocket 3 testing. Nandito ako sa labas ng bahay namin. Around 6:15. Testing mic. Ganda ng mic. Malinaw siya pag gabi, no? Hindi siya talagang naka-auto automatic siya, adjust. This is it. This is 4K 30 frames per second. We are here now in Simi MRT. Sobrang ganda, guys. Ang linaw ng kuha niya. So, lagi ko na itong gagamitin sa vlog ko. Hindi na ako bibili ng mic. Kasi nagplano akong bibili ako ng mic eh. Yung buya. Ngayon hindi na ako bibili. Kasi may kasama na palang mic tong yung DJI Pocket 3. Ang ganda ng niya guys. Oh, madilim to siya dito pero automatic siya nag-adjust ng mga light siya. Yan. Promise, ang ganda niya.
You got my heart. You are my only. Right from the start, you know. There's nothing I would ever change. The way you go and say my name, it's written all over my face, you know. I don't wanna fall in love. 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 I don't wanna fall in love.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next video. Goodbye.